Every hair journey is unique, and with the right care and patience, transformation is possible. Today, we are not just treating hair, we are restoring confidence and embracing the beauty of natural healing. Stay tuned. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm working on a special hair treatment for my lovely client who has been struggling with alopecia. As you can see, her hair has experienced some thinning and bad patches, and she's almost giving up hope. But I encourage her to give a natural hair care method a try. So we decided on a treatment that we can do once every 3 months to fit around our work schedule. This treatment uses some powerful and all-natural ingredient that helps nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. So first ingredient we used was avocado, which is rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and proteins that help to moisturize and strengthen the strands of the hair. So it also helps to repair damage and restore shine to the hair. I also use banana that helps to soften and add shine to the hair. Fenugreek helps to reduce hair loss, strengthen hair follicles, and promote hair growth due to the high protein and nicotinic acid content. Cloves helps to nourish the scalp and help to combat dry and split ends. It strengthens the hair and add volume. Then olive oil deeply nourish the scalp, fight dandruff, and improve overall scalp health, making it a great addition to this treatment. Avocado oil provides essential nutrients and oxidants, sorry, which helps to keep the hair hydrated and soft. Now that we have all our ingredients inside the blender, we're going to blend them until they are smooth. Now that this is all done, we are transferring them into a cheesecloth or a mesh cloth or socks, anyone you can find. Then we sieve them out to avoid pulps. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your family and friends, and hit that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. After sieving it out, I transferred the content into a bowl that I will be using for this treatment. So once this is done, I added my castor oil, which has the ability to increase hair thickness and stimulate hair growth. After adding in my castor oil, I went ahead to mix the content together so that it can combine thoroughly well. So guys, meet my client. So I'm taking this wig off because she made this she installed this wig after I gave her the second treatment. So because this today is going to be the third treatment we are doing since I encouraged her to try the method out. So I can see there's some new growth under the hair. It's not from the beginning of the video. You can notice there's a lot of patches, shining spot patches on her head. So with this and that, there is an improvement. Now that we are done taking down the braid, I added some peppermint oil inside the content. This will help give a refreshing cooling effect and stimulate the scalp, and it can also help with promoting hair growth. Here I am massaging our scalp, trying to make sure the blood is circulating well before applying our treatment. Her hair is now, those parts where there is hair is growing, and I can really see improvement. Unlike when you saw at the beginning of the video where you saw the shining patches, now you can tell there is no more that shine patches there. We have new growth, and which is really encouraging. And when I showed her the picture of her head, she was happy. She was like stunned. She's like, oh my God, is this my hair? Is this really growing, or are you lying to me? I said, the picture can tell you I'm not lying. I only took a picture for you to see so that you will know that, yeah, our treatment is working. She was so happy. And this also gave me the courage to continue doing this treatment, because sometimes in life you think, when you think there is no solution to your problem, God will just bring out somebody that will just say, oh, why not try this, why not try that, and you will see how it goes. You see, God doesn't sleep. He knows when to send your helper. And I believe I'm a helper to this woman, because she has already given hope. She said the last resort is to just go to Turkey and do a hair implant. But you can see with this, for her to come back again, it should show you that there is an improvement. Now that I finished applying this, I put on the steamer cap on her head. While doing that, I went ahead to get out some water, because I don't want to take water from the tap directly, so that I can be able to apply lavender oil inside that water. Lavender essential oil helps to promote hair growth, prevent loss, and gives a relaxing sensation. Now that the hair is all steamed up, I went ahead to remove the steamer cap, and look at how hydrating her hair is looking at the moment. I gently washed out the marks using a mild shampoo, followed by a hydrating conditioner to lock in moisture. I washed the hair twice with the shampoo to make sure all the marks is being washed off thoroughly. Afterwards, I went in with my conditioner to seal in the moisture. Yeah. Na, 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 To finish up my treatment, I use my homemade hair growth oil and massage it into her scalp. Scalp massage is essential for stimulating blood flow and encouraging hair growth, so I make sure to give her a thorough, relaxing massage. Finally, here is the before and after comparison. You can already see how much healthier and shinier her hair looks after just 2 treatments. It's a long journey, but we are hopeful that with consistency, we will start to see even better results. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my hair care tips. And let me know in the comments if you've tried any natural hair remedy that works for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Yeah. Na, 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 na.
daisy.